Yeah, it's me. So I'm just being hesitant, like, do I post, do I not? So yeah, your girl is camera shy, definitely. I know I'm not all that, but hey, that's true. We can do, any little bit positive for the community. It goes a long way. It goes for your family, it goes for those around you, whether they say thanks or not. Because honestly, driving through Dallas, and then Autumn City, and then Fort Worth, and then driving all these fancy places, and then what do I come across? That big old square with water buildup. Come on, people, come on. The majority, we all pay your taxes, right? I mean, that's the goal. That's the goal. Pay your taxes, no matter where you're at. It don't matter the status. They're trying their best. Paying their taxes, or what is it, through the I-10 or whatnot. But yeah, I was so surprised, y'all, that a FedEx truck passed by, and I got the proof. I got a video, so I'm gonna be hesitant, But hey, I see what I do. I'll see whether I post everything or just a couple videos. So yeah, I did call the water company, and a couple hours ago, I don't know, like, most likely you could probably tell, right? Like, I'm all sweating and stuff. Oh yeah, pretty much. I mean, your girl ain't strong above, but hey, I try. So I did move stuff around, to kind of cover the square with water, because you hear all these news later. You hear, all this stuff talking about somebody was walking, tripped, and then you kind of got hurt somewhere, and it's like, oh wait, somebody should have fixed that. Well, too late, people. So I was just trying to prevent a little. I mean, honest, I just wanted to, like, leave already. I got errands, a whole bunch of errands, and then by the time I get to the house, but I'm like, no, call it gut feeling, call it my conscience, call it, I don't know, positive intervention. Something was going on, because I did not feel right just taking off like nothing. So I did call the water company. I will be keeping y'all posted. I did even put it on Google Maps, so yeah, it is on Google Maps. Y'all could, like, share it with people. But I mean, the goal is pretty much to, like, keep on motivating the community. We motivate each other, little by little, and man, the world is gonna be better, honest. We just all gotta keep on putting something in it, something positive, whether you get it back or not, it don't matter. But yeah, hopefully, hopefully somebody got saved of this, because it will hurt my heart, if you ever hear news like that, someone got hurt, they tripped. Come on. And from the street view, you cannot see at all that it's like a big old square of water. You know what I mean? You can't. I mean, yeah, it is next to a fire hydrant, so I was told by the water company that most likely that's what happened, that they had an issue with that. But yeah, they did not plan on, I guess, the other covering. They didn't cover it good or whatnot, or perhaps people driving by, carelessly kind of made it worse. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it's just any little bit helps. Any little bit helps, and yeah, and I'm a big time nervous, so yeah, sorry about that. I'm gonna try to do editing, and not, hey, I'll just throw it out there and we'll see what we get, right? Yeah, most likely I will be posting just like positive stuff, whether I'm cooking, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatnot, just quick little recipes here and there. Like, we can all make time to cook, so that's mostly what I'm gonna be putting, but now and then I will be putting, like, just sarcastic stuff, but not too much, so most likely that's what I'm gonna be doing, my cooking channel. Just throwing out there, little positive vibes here and there, positive stuff, or just joking around, nothing too crazy. I mean, crazy but good crazy, not the bad crazy. So, but right now I figured, what, this is a great opportunity. I felt like it was like a little push, maybe out of my comfort zone, but the goal is something positive will come out of it. So, all right, well, y'all take care, wherever y'all at. Whether y'all see this live, or y'all just gonna see it like after I post it. Yeah, I mean, wherever you at, just make the best of it, make the best of it, because, like, today just comes by today. It's just crazy, so much stuff going on, you name it. Your interior, your exterior, don't get me started. Oh yeah. So yeah, just keep, just keep going ahead, you know. Just don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. God doesn't give up on you. He don't give up on me either, you know. I gotta keep pushing it. Like, everybody goes through something, you know. And just keep on doing you, you know. Do you. But then again, you know, don't forget others around you. Just throw positive vibes out there, you know. That's what I'm saying. Just keep going, you know. Positive vibes for you, for others. And you never know, it will help someone out, or maybe you'll motivate them, and at the same time it motivates you. You know, that's what we got to do, you know. Because negativity, whew, there's so much of that. We're trying to get away of that. And yeah, it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, but you know, just keep going. I mean, keep going. You know, your life matters, you know. We all matter. So that's why I put on Google Maps hashtag we all matter. You know, we all making the best of it, you know, trying to do things right. So, you know, we all trying to, you know, don't do nothing bad with the law. Like I saw a little while ago, FedEx kind of drove the wrong direction. Hey, you know, they probably thought, oh, it's a little thing on the road. Oh, no. It was a little thing more than that on the road. Yeah, I'm just grateful that, you know, at least nobody fell in there with the water. And, because honestly, there's people walking around like nothing, like they didn't see it. Oh, no. So, yeah, but I didn't even expect it. Like I said, you know, some truck passed by. They passed twice, you know. The second time they asked, you know, like, are they honestly going to come fix it? And I said, you know what? They're on their way. If they're not on the way, you know, they do have other work orders, I was told. You know, we're not the only ones that need something to fix in the city. Whether it's the streets or whatnot, come on, you know. Yeah, we're gonna be considered, I get that. But yeah, I mean, at least I'll go with a little bit more peace of mind, you know. I'll call the company, try to do a little fixing myself. So yeah, if anybody else sees it, hey, you want to come by and you know, fix it a little bit more, then, you know, go for it. All right, well, you know, I guess overall, yeah, you could tell I'm nervous. So this is what, you know, this is peace, girl. Nervous and all, just positive vibes. All right, laters, peace.